So no wonder why it's cool, I'm the dude that they hating on. And I ain't gon' stop till the day that I drop, so you haters might be waiting long. So tell me what they gon' do with me, when I am that dude you could be, but homie you can't, and haters.
Hi YouTube, this is Josh here, and we're gonna do the daily pack openings. One is Vanguard, 2 is Magic, 3 Yugi, 4 Magic, 5 Kaijudo. We have a 2, and it's Magic. Really? Every pack opening I've done like this, it's always been Magic. But anyways, it's gonna be M13 this time. So let's get right into it. We're gonna have, let me see if I can zoom in. We're gonna have Fog, Silvercoat Lion, Blood Hunter Bat, Index, Searing Spear, Scroll Thief, Attended Knight, Duress, Yava's Forge Mage, Spiked Boloth. Our first uncommon is Rain of Blades, Ring of Evil's Isle, and our last uncommon, Volcanic Geyser. And our rare is Phylactery Leech and an island. That is it. Thank you.
Don't give a fuck. Other days I feel like $1 million. I just can't keep doing this, cause it's the same shit. I spill my heart with this pen and no one even listens. Baggy pants, new kicks, and a fresh tee. If you wanna criticize, then criticize me, cause I ain't in it just to get a name or for the fame. I'm in it cause this is what I love to do. You haters look like you ate a grapefruit. I guess it's time to ride solo cause it's my thing. I keep a time with me, you bitches spare change. I ain't even left yet before spring. This is so much more.